Jack and the Beanstalk.
My name is Jack, the Beanstalk lad.
And I'm the ogre Jack made mad.
I lost our milk cow in a trade.
You got 5 beans, that's all you made.
My mother threw them out that night, and in the morning, what a sight. A beanstalk grew that was so tall, we couldn't see the top at all.
You climbed it to the top, and then you stole my magic laying hen.
Your hen that lays gold eggs? Why, yes, I stole your hen. I do confess.
My bag of gold you stole them too, and then my golden harp.
That's true.
That was a naughty thing to do.
Now, Mr. Ogre, don't be mad. I do admit that I was bad, but we were poor and hungry too.
You give them back or I'll eat you.
I'll give them back if you agree. Sometimes lend your hen to me.
You're asking me to lend my hen?
Not all the time, just now and then. And also for a special treat, please lend your harp. It sounds so sweet.
Why, yes, it has a lovely tune, but don't forget it's just a loon.
A bag of gold, perhaps you'd share.
I have bags all that I can spare. No, that's all settled, and we're friends, and that's the way our story ends.
Let's write it down.
Let's write it down.
We'll tell about the beans and cow.
And how the beanstalk grew and grew.
And when your story is all through, you'll read to me, I'll read to you.